Guys, Magnet Moochers back with another magnet fishing video. We've just recently purchased this kayak to get to the other side of the Thames, so let's go and see what we can find.
Remember when they seemed so close?
I know what I'll do, I'm going to make a picnic. You go and sit with me and go out and go, picnic out at the sea.
Right now, so just get away from the boat though.
Yeah.
Well, it's not that bad against the boat though, it's just a bit wobbly.
Yeah, that is as long as you, yeah, but when you get used to it and the boats together, you'll be alright. You won't care about going out and fucking them. Have some ice cream.
There's a boat over there. Green one.
Good time, come over here.